guys! For today's video, join me as I build my dream home office with crafting area. Most of the furnitures are from IKEA. I built everything myself, as you can see. I'm super determined to finish this off. Now we are in my most favorite part, decorating. After 1 week, here's the outcome. Are you ready?
Wow, that's amazing!
That's my unused TV and I just mounted it vertically for my Excel sheet and social media viewing. My favorite part here is the Philippine lights and the Galaxy laser light. Help me to get in the mood of creating. And this is my crafting area. And here's some of the shell art that I designed. These are available in Shopee and Lazada and Amazon. And that's it for the crafting area. Now, let's see the other side. Here are my crafting materials. Beads, seashell, ribbons, cabochons, etc., etc. Above are my Disney hat collections from all over the world, and one more to go. The missing one is from Disney World, Florida. And this are some of the handmade jewelries that I'm selling online. These are real orchids preserved in resin. And this one is macrame. My documents and bookkeeping are on the bottom. Here's my favorite scent from Rituals. And there is my karaoke machine. I use that if I had enough. And now my cute table. This is my Rode microphone where I recorded all my voiceovers. Look guys, this is a table vacuum. Very cute, right? And of course, my cookies and coffee mug with plate heater. By the way, my computer chair is from Razer. My bunny shoes and pillow. And this very cute kitty helmet, I wear this when we are riding a motorcycle. And these are my printers. A lot. And that's it. My computer setup for 2023. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Thank you very much!
Subscribe now.